Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to break down a real trading example using AI Max Pro EA. Based on this screenshot you're seeing right now, we're looking at a live USD chart on the 5-minute time frame. Now don't worry if you're a beginner. I'm going to explain everything step by step, from the candles to indicators, and how AI Max Pro EA reads all this to make smart trading decisions. So let's jump right into it. Alright, first thing. This chart is from MetaTrader 4 Mobile, and we're looking at USD M5, which means each candle here represents 5 minutes of price movement. Now check out the candles. You'll notice blue-green candles and red candles. Here's what they mean. Blue-green candles show that the price has gone up during that 5-minute period. Buyers were in control. Red candles show that the price has gone down. Sellers were dominating during those 5 minutes. Now look at the latest red candle. It's a strong one. That tells us sellers just came in hard and pushed the price down quickly. This kind of sharp red candle is often a bearish signal, especially when it follows a few indecisive candles or smaller green ones. And trust me, AI Max Pro EA watches this closely, because when momentum flips like this, that's where smart entries happen. Also, notice that red line running through the chart. That's a moving average, which helps identify the trend. In this case, the price is below the moving average, and candles are starting to close under it again. That's a bearish setup. So AI Max Pro EA sees this as the trend turning down, and it prepares to take sell trades if the rest of the data confirms it. Now, if you look closely, just before that strong red candle, we had 2 small blue candles, almost like buyers tried to push the market up but failed. That failure gives the EA more confidence that sellers are stepping back in. And boom, it drops. Let's talk about the area where the price is hanging around right now.